Hello, kids. I'm Damali Wilson, one of the creators of this show.
I'm Charles Harper, one of the creators of this show.
Hi, I'm Jim Bloom of Eco Alliance, and we're sponsors of this program.
Hello, kids. My name is Vanessa Hall-Harper. I am the District 1 City Councilor, and will be one of your food gurus.
Hello, kids. This is your food guru, Aubrey Shine.
Hello, kids. It's food guru Pastor Jay, pastor of the Friendship Church here in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Hey, kids. My name is Ramona Hometown Heat. I am your host of the EduRec Eats Cooking Competition, and this
is a game changer.
Submit your quick video now,
and let us know why you should be chosen
to compete in this cooking competition.
And get ready to chef it up in your kitchen.
These are the things that you have to do.
Tell us your name,
what school you attend,
your age, and of course,
why you should be chosen.
Why you should be chosen.
We are picking the best submissions, and you will compete
virtually
while social distancing in your very own home.
And show everybody.
Show everybody how you get down in the kitchen.
You think you're a chop champion? Make sure you bring it.
And we'll see you
at EduRec Eats Cooking Competition.
EduRec Eats Cooking Competition 2020. We'll see you there.